Good morning, English scholars. How are you today? The purpose of this video basically is to work a little bit on vocabulary. As I have been telling you, you have been working on Pictionary. Okay? What would be the Pictionary? The Pictionary is the word with one image so that you can know what the word is, and also one sentence so that you know what is the function of the word, and also the pronunciation of this sentence. However, I think that we need to continue working on more. I have designed this format so that you can continue working on it. For doing this, I need you to go to your timetable, your learning timetable, so that you know what is this. Basically, their name is the goldlist method. Why the goldlist? Because you need to work on 25 words every day. After 12 days, you need to go to this list, and then you have to do the D1, the distillation one, which is this. The one that you learned, you are not going to put it in here. You are going to put it in here, the words that you still don't know. And after 12 days, the same thing, which is the distillation 2, and after 12 days, the distillation 3. After 12 days, the distillation 4. It should be with the daily vocabulary, right? Why? Because you are going to read a lot of vocabulary. And the idea of this is to apply the approach, which is that if we go to the word every time, once at a time, every time, you are going to learn, you're going to memorize the vocabulary, because you are watching the vocabulary many days at different times. So you are obliging, you are pushing the brain to remember vocabulary, right? So this is for Monday. The green one is for Monday. For Tuesday, you're going to have other 25 words. And it has the same process. It has the same process, right? We have in here the blue one, which is for Wednesday. For Wednesday. You have here distillation 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have in here the pink one, Thursday. The same process, you see? And you have in here the green one, Friday. The same process. You're going to do the same process. Now, what is it very important? It is very important that when you start, you are going to locate, for example, today is, it is not for Saturday and Sunday. For Saturday and Sunday, you're going to rest. But for example, today is Monday. We're going to suppose today is Monday. You're going to write down the new words in here. And after you finish and doing all of this, you're going to write down in here the date. So today is March the 3rd. So you're going to count 12 days after today, and you're going to write down the date in here. For example, if today is March the 3rd, what would the date be? Did you know? So it would be March 15th. So at this time, you are going to, again, you're going to review this vocabulary, and then you're going to choose the vocabulary you don't know, don't remember, and you're going to put it in here. So if today, if after 12 days, it is March 15, you're going to go after March 15, other 12 days. It would be March what? 27, all right. Okay? So after March 27, when you arrive to this date, you're going to look this vocabulary you have in here. And then this vocabulary that you don't know, you're going to put it in here. All right? And the same thing. So March 27, so it would be April. You see? So that's the idea. The idea is to count 12 days. But you have to do it when you do this. Why? because otherwise you're gonna forget it. All right? So thank you very much, and I hope it can help you to construct vocabulary. See you later.